Hey everyone, this is Chris from HMR Motors in South Florida Mobility Center, and today I have a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country with only 59,000 miles. This one's been converted by AMS with their Legend conversion, making it fully handicap accessible with a power fold-out ramp that deploys at the passenger side sliding door at the touch of a button. One of the nice things about the AMS Legend conversion is that it was designed with simplicity and maintenance costs in mind, keeping the factory OEM sliding doors separate from the mobility conversion. It also comes equipped with two retractable Q-Straint tie-downs, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, and a backup camera. This van has been Georgia owned its entire life, so it's super clean and rust-free. With only 59,000 miles, it's a great option for anyone looking for a clean, low mileage, wheelchair accessible van. In today's video, we're going to do a full walk around, check out the interior, show you all the mobility features working and operational, and then take it out on the road. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this AMS Legend conversion. It's super simple and user-friendly. To deploy the ramp, start by pressing the passenger side sliding door button. Once the door is fully open, grab the AMS conversion remote and press and hold the down button. Keep holding the button until the ramp completely folds down and lowers all the way onto the ground. To stow the ramp is just as simple. Press and hold the up button on the conversion remote until the ramp folds completely back into the van. Once the ramp is fully stowed, press the passenger side sliding door button again to close the door. You can also operate the ramp using the up and down buttons located inside the van next to the ramp. There's also another convenient way to operate the ramp from outside the van. Included with the keys are two magnets that can be used with the markings on the passenger side taillight. Hold the magnet over the lower X to deploy the ramp and keep it there until the ramp is completely down. To stow it, hold the magnet over the upper X until the ramp is completely folded back into the van. So whether you're using the conversion remote, the interior controls, or the magnetic controls outside the van, operating the AMS Legend ramp is simple and straightforward. All right, let's do a walk around of the Town & Country so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Front fender looks really nice. Rims are in excellent condition. Tires, plenty of life left. Little ding in this door right here. I'm gonna point out little things. I just want to be as transparent as possible. So I'm not beating the van up. It's super clean, but I want you to know exactly what's gonna show up in your driveway. I don't want any surprises. This door looks really nice as well. Maybe a little ding right there. Quarter panel looks really nice. I don't see anything worth noting. It said rims and tires. Very nice. Tailgate looks really nice as well. Rear bumper's in really good condition too. A couple of little tiny scratches, but nothing bad. I mean, especially for a 13-year-old van, it's in excellent condition. A couple of little rock chips on this bumper right over here from the tire. I mean, just normal wear. Well, we got a little ding here and a little paint fading right there. Yeah, just super small stuff. Little ding right there. couple scratches right there on the flare. Fender looks really nice. Windshield looks really good. Hood looks really nice as well. Hood's got a little corrosion right here. This is super normal on all these Dodges and Chryslers this year. Headlights look really good. Front bumper looks really nice.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
Rear seat's in excellent condition. Let's start on this side. So we got some cup holders, some storage as well. Do have two Q-Straint tie downs on the floor here with channels all throughout the floor. On this side we have all of our stuff for the rear entertainment system. Also more cup holders and storage. Have our passenger sliding door. You can operate that using the passenger side sliding door button right there. Do have removable passenger seats, so if you want to put a wheelchair user on the passenger side, that's not a problem as well. Do have AMS did put a up and down, so you can operate everything here using that. So you can see me working that there. We also have our rear entertainment screen. So we also have our rear air conditioning. So you can see, you can hear all those fan speeds working, so they do all work. And yeah, like I said, you can operate the power sliding door here using that button, and then operate the ramp conversion with those buttons right there. Passenger door looks really clean. Passenger side seat is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the trunk. Over here we do have the original headphones and remote for the rear entertainment system, which is awesome. Especially on a 2013 to still have that. That's huge. So that is back there. We do have our jack and tools in this compartment right here. Both rear seats do fold down as well by pulling these tabs. You can see them by pulling this tab right here. They'll fold down or recline. So you can see that folded down in the picture. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand. We do have a spare tire here. That's really nice on a little stand. So that's awesome. So this is where you have a little donut. And this is a power liftgate, and you can operate that by pressing that button right there. Show you out the front. See our master switch. Front door panel is in really great shape as well. Front driver's seat's in really good condition. We do have a power front seat. You can see it moves forward and back and lifts up and down and reclines. You can see all that working. All right, let's get inside. We have the van running here, so I will turn it off so you guys can see that there's no warning lights. Let me straighten out the camera. See, there's no warning lights on, just my seatbelt, because I don't have my seatbelt on. But motor sounds really good. All right, let's take a look around. Let's start over here. We're gonna check out all of the windows. You can see that the driver's side window goes up, goes down, and it goes up. So that works. Passenger side also works. All right, let's check the back window. See, that goes up and down. All right, so you can see all of our windows working. Do have power mirrors. You can see they go down and up and left and right. I'm gonna put that back so I can see. And then same thing on this one. You can see it goes up and it goes down and left and right. So that all works. We do have power locks as well. So those work. Let's check out our radio. So that all works. You can load your CDs. That button right there. Does have Bluetooth. You connect with that right there. AM, FM, satellite, which is really nice. Does have a backup camera as well. So everything you need. We do have ice cold air conditioning. You can see all of our fan speeds are working. We do have a little storage compartment right here with some cup holders, a couple power outlets.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road.
wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.